Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer first Copilot Plus PC SF14 AI laptop. So friends, this laptop is powered by a Snapdragon X series platform and the SF14 AI laptop powered by Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus platform. Both feature are world fastest NPU for on-device AI processing, and the SF14 AI features a distinct design with the AI icon on the cover and an activity indicator on the touchpad, and that lights up well in use. It has a 14.5-inch WQXGA IPS 120Hz display and 100% sRGB color gamut support, and the display is available with Edge-to-Edge touchscreen option, anti-UV Rheinland Eyesafe Certification 2.0 to reduce blue light impact without compromise color accuracy, and the laptop's 180-degree hinge allows for versatile use and easy one-hand opening of the aluminum cover, and it supports up to 32 GB LPDDR5X RAM, 8533 MHz, and up to 1 TB NVMe PCIe generation 4.0 SSD alongside a 75 Wh battery providing up to 6 hour battery life and the fast charging support. And the laptop has 1440p QHD IR webcam with a triple microphone array and privacy shutter, supporting Acer's AI enhanced conferencing tool in Acer PurifiedView 2.0 and Acer PurifiedVoice 2.0. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.